Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to solve book exercise of the chapter 18. The chapter name is Subject Verb Agreement and it's taken from the books The Grammar Connects. Okay, so let's start the video and try to solve the book exercise of this chapter. Okay, in the first you can see the gate going. There are given some subject and predicate. You will match it with its appreciate option or the predicates. So you can see the boys walks to school every day. It means the option number C will be correct. And second is the gymnastic. Gymnastic is an Olympic sports. Okay, so second match with option number E. And third subject is he, and it connected with the predicate as a option number A. Okay, he cooks dinner for the family. And fourth is magazine and a book. Okay, it is the combined subject, and you will match it with the predicate option number B. Okay, were laying on the floors. Okay, were laying on the floors. Clear? And fifth subject is elephants, and remaining statement is the option number D, loves banana. I hope you all understand it. So let's start and next exercise. Okay, so come on page number 170 and exercise number A. You can see here some of the blanks, and you will complete this sentence choosing the correct verb form of the brackets. Clear? So let's start the video. In the first you can see the law and order situation in the state. So you can see a law and order, both are the similar statementical word. So we can use here each. Okay, each verb is a correct option. Second is a few of these products. So you can see here it is the plural form, so we can use here have verb. Okay, third is our happiness or our sorrow. You can see here use the or option. Okay, or option, it means it is the optional, so you will use only a similar number verb, then we can fill it with the each. Okay, fourth option is the members of the bands. The members of the bands is referred to the plural number verb, plural number subject, so we can add the plural number verb and your verb will be walk. Clear? Next, fifth option, the Arabian Nights. Looks, it is not a plural number subject, it is the singular number subject. Why? Because it's the book's name. Okay, the Arabian Nights is a book name, so we can use the verb as a singular number and your verb will be each. Clear? So tick the option number verb each and fill it in the blanks each. Clear? Next, sixth option, neither the teacher nor the students. You can see here near the verb we can use always the verb. Okay, you can see not the student, according to the students we can use here our verb. Clear? Next is option number 7. Option number 7, the principal. Okay, the principal and director. I already tell you about that. One nominative word or the one word, two words refer to the one person. So this is the not plural form. Already it add with the conjunction word and, but it's not refer to the plural number. Okay, so we always use this subject as a plural singular form, and with the singular form subject we can use the singular number verb, and your option is. Okay, eighth is many of historic facts found. Historic facts found, so we can see here the subject has a many of the historics, so it is referred to the plural forms, then we can use or verb with the subject of plural. Okay, now ninth is if we get every, each, any. Okay, one, if any kind of the word, noun word or adjective word used with the subject. Okay, so we can always use the singular number verb. Okay, so it will be does. Clear? in the ninth option. And 10th is Dr. Kapoor as well as two other professors. Okay, when we add as long as well as, we always use the singular number verb, then its verb will be leaves. Okay, I hope you all understand it. Now next, exercise number B. Read the sentence carefully, correct the errors in these sentences if any. Okay, so here this is the sentence: profit and loss, profit and loss, and with this subject you always use the singular number verb. Okay, singular number verb, and you, in place of are, you will put the verb is. You can see here I already correct it. Okay, second is the scissors are for cutting papers. In this sentence the verb and subject, the verb is used according to the subject, so there is no any changing. Okay, so not changing, and same as the third. Okay, the sales staff is vital to the company. In this sentence we can get the verb according to the subject, so there is the no changing in the third sentence. In the fourth sentence, either you or I. Okay, you can see here is the use the optional word or. So in this sentence we use according to the closing of the verb subject. Okay, so subject is I, according to the I we can use am. Okay, I am, not are. Okay, now fifth is 3 lakhs rupees. Okay, you know about that. If there is the numbers, okay, there is a number, then we can use always a singular number. Okay, singular number, so we can use here with the 3 lakhs rupees with the not or, it will be is a lot of money for me. Okay, now 6 is 12 miles. 12 miles, it is in the numbers. Okay, and refer to the single statements. So it in this sentence we use is in place of are. Okay, 12 miles is a long distance to run. Okay, seventh is many of the houses in the neighborhood don't. You can see it is the refer to the plural form. Okay, so we can use don't in place of doesn't. Now eighth is a lot of sugar is needed. So it is, you can see it is an uncountable subject, and with the uncountable subject we always use the singular number verb, and is referred to the singular number verb, so there is no changing. Okay, in the ninth option, the police refer to the plural form. Okay, so we can use here plural number verb. So in place of was will be were. Clear? The police were carrying guns and gas. Now 10th is much refer to the uncountable noun, so we always use singular number verb. So in place of have we can use has. Okay, in 11th, there is some beautiful engraving, it refer to the plural form. Okay, so here is the need of the plural form verb. In place of is we always use are. Okay, now 12, fishing along with rare birds. In place of are we can use is. Clear? And in the 13, I think either of them. Either I think, so either of them, not will be are. Okay, it will be is, qualified for the post. Now fourth is trumpet or a flute creates excitement in music. There is no changing. Okay, and in the 15, the last we can change are into the is according to the gardens. Okay, I hope you all understand it. Now next, the following paragraph contains some errors. Subject verb agreement. Find the rewrite the paragraph correcting these errors. Remember the tense of the verbs should remain the same. Okay, in this sentence you can get some of the words that was the mistake, some of the verb that was the mistake, so you will read the carefully this passage and correct it. So I can tell you that you can see here some of the mistake that was the I mentioned in a correct form. Okay, in place of are you will use the is, in place of is you are used are, and use will be usage, is will be are, and here is the hunt will be hunts, enjoy will be enjoys. Okay, and here is the appear will be appears, in place of is you can use are, and here is the have, in place of have you will use have, and take will be takes. Okay, and are will be is, and here is the tiger reserve have, in place of have you will use has. Okay, and in the last, in place of have you will use has. Okay, I hope you all understand this exercise, and you will note down and solve the exercise with the help of this video and its PDF. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.